Welcome. So let's focus on the psychology optional for UPSC this time and some of the expected questions that you must prepare well for your paper 1 and paper 2. So under paper 1, neuroplasticity, cognitive biasness, psychology of misinformation, cognitive vulnerability, sleep deprivation, emotional intelligence and climate change and the risk and the perceptions associated to natural disasters and mitigation become important. For development and personality psychology, the screen time, digital media, gyratic psychology, then nature-nurture debate, personality traits and the resilience with the situation. So bringing in the elements of positive psychology, cross-cultural perspectives and a very interesting topic which is gig workers, how to motivate gig workers in the employment. So bringing in the idea of extrinsic and intrinsic motivation factors. Then talking about clinical and social psychology, some of the important topics pertain to psychology of prejudice, discrimination, social media and its impact on mental health, the concept of FOMO and how it affects the mental health. Also the mental health initiatives, the mental health museum being established in UAE, talking about the trauma survivors in the conflict zone areas, in a war prone area and the psychological intervention for the same. Forensic psychology becomes very important, where eyewitness testimony, then in the recent light of the terrorist attack, psychology of terrorism and de-radicalization in the recent light of illegal immigrants being moving out, the psychology of the illegal immigrants and the denaturalized citizens, for those who had attained the citizenship through naturalization and are now denaturalized. So psychological intervention for those becomes important. Then related to environment and organizations, work-life balance, a very upcoming topic where there has been a numerous debate on 90 hours a week work or 40 hours of work week. Then we have covered this topic extensively in one of the answer writing sessions, so refer that video for more understanding. Highly important, gig workers, work-life balance, some of the most trending topics in psychology these days. Also the psychology of terrorism becomes important, as we already discussed. Then psychology of consumer behavior with the advent of digital marketing and how it has been affecting the customers at a very grassroots level, the impact of built-up area in the urban areas and its impact on psychological well-being of an individual, with lack of availabilities of healthy living conditions, specifically in the urban areas, in the slum areas, and then the disaster affected areas, the disaster prone areas, the psychological implications in those areas, the major mental disorders and the treatment for those mental disorders, again a very popular question for your psychology. So those are some of the practice aspects that we have approach to. In fact, if you are looking for comprehensive content, refer the number below for more information, and of course I am available for personal feedback and mentoring. Thanks for joining in. Have a great day.